1 week ago today, I uploaded a video and I let you guys know that the motorcycle that I had sitting back here in all my videos got stolen from me. And from that bad experience, I learned a valuable lesson which I would now like to share with you guys. What's going on, guys? My name is Robert. Welcome back to my channel. So if you guys are new here, I used to have this motorcycle that I use as a prop in the back of all my videos, and I also love that motorcycle with all my heart. It was just like my baby. Someone literally came up to my house in the middle of the night, came to my back door, and they literally stole it from me right under my nose. I felt very exposed, very vulnerable about that whole entire situation. And I must admit that I took a big, huge loss with that bike. So I didn't have full coverage on the motorcycle, and many of you guys are like, okay, this kid's an idiot, why didn't he have full coverage? Well, in my mind, when I bought the bike, I bought it off Copart, and I was thinking, like, dude, if I get in a wreck on this motorcycle, I'm probably gonna die on it anyway. I don't wanna get full coverage. Like, I didn't see it as something that's necessary. That was just my stupid thought process when I went to get the bike registered and like all that stuff. So at the end of the day, you know, there are so many things I could have done differently to prevent the bike getting stolen from me, but at this point, I'm just sat here with a fat L, and that's all it is for me. Like, lost all the money I put into it. I'm probably never gonna see the bike. It's probably getting parted out as we sit here. And as you guys watch this video, the bike is probably getting stripped of all of its parts, and I'll never see the bike again. After, you know, that all went down, I spent 2 entire days just feeling sorry for myself, just in a bad spot mentally, in a bad spot emotionally. I was just like unmotivated to do anything, and that is why I'm making this video. I want to address what I went through and how getting up and getting back on your feet when you take an L, like, it could be a financial loss, it could be something, you know, like in life doesn't always end up being what we thought it would be, or like just certain things come up and we don't know how to deal with them. And I think that's where a lot of people go wrong, is something bad happens to them and they experience something extremely negative and they don't know how to recover from that emotionally or mentally. I always like to be optimistic about everything that I encounter on a day-to-day basis. And I think because of that, I've been able to achieve a lot of success at an early age. And I've just been able to do things the right way and do them with a positive outcome. And I always win at things that I do. Like, I don't know how to explain it, but I really believe that it's because of my mindset. And so after my motorcycle got stolen from me, it was like the first bad thing I can honestly say that has happened to me, like, in the past 3 years. Like, believe it or not, everything I ever went out to do, everything I ever tried, everything that I ever did, I ended up succeeding at it. I was super good at it, and that's sort of been my life up until this point. And I didn't know how to react when something like this happened to me. So I literally laid in bed, looked at the wall, and took a depression nap for 2 days straight. Like, I just didn't get up out of bed, which is a super dangerous thing for me because I'm the one that's controlling my schedule. I'm the one controlling my time and how productive I am with it. There's no one telling me what to do. And therefore, me sitting around and feeling sorry for myself isn't gonna help me make more money to get a better bike. It's gonna help me get to my goals, which I started the year off kind of in a rough spot because of that. And I wasted 2 entire days that I had, you know, planned out. I had a schedule for the day. I had an idea of what I needed to get done, and I didn't do anything. And now I'm 2 days behind trying to play catch up. So I found this quote, and it goes something along the lines of, it's how you deal with failure that determines how you achieve success. And I want to just share that with you guys today. And that's the main point of this video. Is I understand that things happen in life and things may not seem fair in your current situation or with whatever, you know, you're dealing with. I know everyone deals with something, even though if they don't want to admit it. Even people that seem to have it all figured out, they all deal with internal struggles. And therefore, any of you guys that are hit with something hard and you feel like, hey, this is not fair, why is this happening to me? Just know that the faster you can rebound, the faster you can get back on your feet, that's what'll determine how you achieve success. You know, most of us, we deal with financial losses, like in the business world. I'm sure any of you guys watching this that are business minded, you guys have experienced some sort of loss where it's things that didn't turn out the way you planned them to, and you put money into something and it didn't pan out. Well, get over that loss as quickly as possible. And it's easier said than done, and I can tell you from experience, like, up until this point, this is all I preached to people. This is all I believed in my heart. But until it actually happened to me, you know, I didn't really know how hard it actually is to get back on your feet with something like this. And I hope you guys really take this to heart and just know that if you deal with something that seems like, you know, this is the whole world is turned against me, like this can't be real, just get back on your feet from that as fast as possible, and don't let it take any more of your time. Don't let that loss take any more of your mindset or take any more of like your emotional well-being. The update on the bike, it's gone by this point. Like at this point, I doubt the cops will be able to trace it. It's just one of those things that I'll have to deal with, and in my mind, I'm just gonna have to work twice as hard and get a better bike, a bigger, better bike in the end. So, that's my motivation now. I'm fine emotionally at this point. I guess a week later, I can say that I'm not hurting anymore. It's still a little bit of pain there, but I just want you guys to know that you guys have the power to get back on your feet, and you guys, it's all part of your mental strength and your mindset. Thank you guys for watching. If you enjoyed the video, be sure to leave a like, and to all my new subscribers, welcome. Hit the notification bell, and I will see you guys all in the next video.